How come? Well. And how are the ducklings supposed to cross the road now? Don't worry, Mrs. Duck. I think I know what to do. Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Feeling okay as far as I can see. Still resting. Get yourselves together! Something happened over there, guys. We need your help. The road sign, "Beware the Ducklings," fell down and Mrs. Duck can't cross the road. We need to reinforce the sign with concrete so that it will never fall again. Let's hurry to the garage. We need to choose a car to get the concrete to the site, guys. I suggest that you pick this concrete mixer. It looks like Nicholas agrees with me. Do you agree, Jacques? So what do you suggest? Are you serious, Jacques? Okay, let's do this. Let's drive concrete in a convertible. Did you choose the convertible to make Mrs. Duck like you, Jacques? Well, okay. Let's fill the convertible with concrete. But where are we supposed to pour concrete, Jacques? Are you serious? Whatever, pal. Let's go then. This is the spot. Jacques, Nicholas, get to work. What happened, Jacques? You're stuck in concrete and can't get out? Unbelievable. Any ideas, Jacques? Well. Are you going to hold the sign? We need to fix the sign and not just hold it, Jacques. And now we need to get some concrete here, Jacques. Go get the concrete mixer. Okay, good job. Hold the sign, Jacques. And you'll pour the concrete, Nicholas. Well, there you go. Stop. Okay, Jacques. Everything is in order now. Oh, what a twist. Be careful, Jacques, or we'll have to fix the sign again. Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Are you busy, guys? Paul the duckling has dropped something on his foot. You can take him to the hospital. Thanks, guys. I knew I could count on you. Here we are, Paul. What happened to you? Oh, have you dropped a hammer on your foot? Poor thing. But that's okay. Jacques and Nicholas will take you to the hospital now. What's the matter? Don't you want to get in this car? What should we do? Do you have an idea, Jacques? I see. You're going to become an ambulance crew. We'll have to prepare a specialized car then. Well, let's turn this van into an ambulance fast. We'll start with the appearance. Perfect. The car became so white. A red stripe is exactly what we need. But something is missing. A red cross, of course. And a flashing light. A very useful thing on the road. The ambulance is ready. And where is Jacques, Nicholas? You've brought a first aid kit, Jacques. Good job! Do you want to take a box of paints as well? Are you going to draw? Well, should we hurry to our duckling? Perfect. Let's go then. And where's Nicholas, Jacques? Ah, he's an ER nurse today, and already inside the van. Ooh, these cars are moving so slowly. Let's turn on the flashing lights and see what happens. That's what I'm talking about! Here we are, Paul. We'll get you to the hospital now. I hope the duckling will be okay. What should we do while waiting for the news? Great! Let's draw! You are so talented, Nicholas. How are you, Paul? Just a bruise? That's great. It means that you can go back to repairing your stool. See you guys! Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Did Granny Duck invite you to her 70s-styled barbecue party already? Then why are you so sad? Can't you decide which car to pick for this occasion? That's easy to fix. We can make a lowrider out of any car. Even this pickup truck will do. Do you know what a lowrider is? Let's hurry to the garage then. I'll explain everything to you. Who's in charge today? Jacques? Perfect. Let's begin with installing these beautiful wheels on it. And now these cool headlights. And change the rear view mirrors. You are truly a tuning ace, Jacques. Let's make the exhaust pipe shinier. And place a mustache on the front. Are you surprised? But it looks better this way, doesn't it? Jacques, let's do a paint job on the car now. Pick a color. Perfect. Let's install the sound system. Pretty awesome, isn't it? And the final touch, let's change the suspension. You'll understand why later. Pull the lever, Jacques, and you'll see what happens. Cool, but it's too low. We can't drive that way. And now you can fit an elephant under it. Oh, don't be offended, Jacques. You've done great, but some help from Nicholas won't hurt. That's exactly what we need. Let's go to the party then. Something else, Jacques? Great. That's pure 70s. You're stylish as well now, Nicholas. Are you comfortable, guys? It feels not so pleasant on these rocks. Yeah, but it's okay. We're almost there. Ooh, there's our party. It's very quiet at your place, Granny Duck. But that's okay. Jacques, Nicholas, turn on the music. Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Oh, you're participating in a street race. Good luck, guys. Ready, set, go! Jacques, you're supposed to go faster. Come on, our rivals are finishing already. Oh, this car is not suitable for racing. It's too slow. But we can fix everything. Let's check out our garage. This sedan will make a fine race car. Lift it up. Well, where should we start? Jacques, are you going to change the tires? Okay. That's a strange choice, but it's okay, I guess. Jacques, are you sure that we won't be able to win the race without this thing? Well, yes, that's important. What else? Red! Okay! Is this supposed to scare your rival? You know what beauty is. Whatever you say. What's next? Is that all? Aren't you forgetting something, Jacques? Awesome! You are a road warrior, Jacques. Let's try our new ride out. Ready, set, go! I think there's something wrong with the car. It won't even get to the finish line. We need to go back to the garage, Jacques. Are you going to redo the car this time, Nicholas? What should we start with? Okay, that's a good start. Oh, Nicholas, that's a perfect choice. Those brake shoes are good. Okay, now the sport tires. Good job, Nicholas. Low bumpers. Now the car is more streamlined, and it will go better. This spoiler will make the car stick to the road firmly. Sure, the most important thing is a powerful engine. Do you want to add something, Jacques? We'll leave these pretty lights, so be it. Time to get on the track? Ready, set, go! Now that's what I call speed. You've beaten everyone, guys. Come on, the finish line is close. You've won, guys! Good job! I'm so proud of you. Hi, Nicholas. Hi, Jacques. Jacques and Nicholas are going on a shopping trip today. They will need a spacious car to hold lots of goods. The car should be easy to park as well. We've got 2 cars to choose from. It looks like Jacques likes this tiny and extremely stylish one. And Nicholas chose this old and dirty pickup truck. Phew, how old and dirty it is. Well, should we start with this stylish and small car? Okay, it's not very spacious. Let's go! It seems like we've run out of gas, Jacques. We'll have to push it. That was one good parking job. It's time to go shopping. Okay, we need to buy some candy for Nicholas. And now we need to get tasty sandwiches for Jacques. We need more candy for Nicholas. Household chemical goods are also needed. And toilet paper. We'll need a jerry can with gas as well. Spare parts for different cars. Tools. And even more candy for Nicholas. Let's head home. First, we need to refuel our tiny car. Perfect. Let's load the goods now. It seems like this car is not supposed to carry this many goods. It's time to try the pickup truck. Let's go! Wow! We barely fit into this parking place. Let's load it with everything we've bought. Candy, sandwiches, different bottles, jerry can with gas, spare parts, and even an engine. We'll put the stylish and tiny car there as well. Look at that! It holds everything. It's so spacious. Now let's go home. Let's compare our cars, guys. We'll give a star to the small one for good parking capabilities. That's about it. We'll give a star to the pickup truck for parking, a star for good capacity, and a star for ability to hold even the small car. The pickup truck won. Yep, one shouldn't judge a car by its looks. Bye, guys! Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Are you ready to go to Granny Duck's country house? Which vehicle are you going to use for this? What could be more beautiful than a trip to the country on a bike? You're not really happy about that, Jacques. Okay, what do you suggest? That sounds like an idea. Let's check what's better for traveling to the country. Jacques will go by car, and Nicholas will go by bike. Are you ready? Ready, set, go! What a dashing start, Jacques. It won't be easy for Nicholas to catch up. What a surprise! Such a traffic jam on a weekday. Nicholas doesn't mind the traffic jam. It's so wonderful outdoors. Do you like it, Nicholas? Step on it, Nicholas! And here goes Jacques. Yep, friends, you won't be able to climb this mountain easily. Even digging a tunnel would be a better option. That's quite a solution, Nicholas. Are you okay, Jacques? Isn't it too heavy for you? Uh-oh. What a nuisance. I see now. Did you do it to outmaneuver our cyclist? You need to pull yourself out of this mud while Nicholas is still behind. Today is not your day, Jacques. And Nicholas is doing great. Isn't it beautiful around here, Nicholas? Is that a present for Granny Duck? You'd better hurry. Jacques fell behind, but he could be here at any moment. Pretty presumptuous. Poor Jacques. The car rides him the whole day. Well, that was a fair draw. Let's compare our vehicles. So, we'll give a star to the small car for its jumping abilities. We'll give 3 stars to the bike, a first one for maneuverability, a second one for a light carrying weight, and a third one for letting you enjoy the fresh air. The bike wins. Are you happy, Nicholas? Perfect. Well, should we go for a bike ride?